की व्यवस्थाओं के लिए वो ओम शांति का क्षण न हो जाए। जय हिंद सर।
Dr. M. Thambi Durai.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, I raised today to participate in the discussion on the sustainable harnessing and advancement of nuclear energy for transforming India Bill 2025 on behalf of ADMK party under the leadership of respected General Secretary Edappadi Palaniswamy, sir. ADMK has always stood firmly in support of scientific progress, clean energy initiatives, and national self-reliance. Sir, I would also like to place on record our deep appreciation for India's nuclear scientists, engineers, and researchers whose tireless efforts, often under international constraints, have strengthened India's position as a responsible nuclear power. ADMK salutes their dedication and service to the nation. Sir, states like Tamil Nadu, which has hosted important nuclear installations such as Kalpakkam and Kudankulam. The center's continued engagement with host states has helped address public concerns and strengthen confidence in the nuclear energy. In the Kudankulam, the people are opposed in Tamil Nadu. There are still agitations going on. The concern is there. And central government must take care of that, their interest, which ADMK is always insisting. We are supporting the Kudankulam people, which they raised. The central must give the incentive. Sir, ADMK particularly welcomes the government focus on cooperative federalism. While nuclear energy is a highly specialized sector requiring strong central coordination, the union government has consistently worked with the state governments on issues of safety, energy, emergency preparedness, and local development. Sir, in this, I want to respond one matter. Recently, our ADMK member, when he spoke, DMK member spoke, Wilson spoke, about the privatization of the nuclear energy, he said. Sir, I am also appreciating his concern, the state's nation's security. I want to bring to the notice of the House, what about the spectrum? Spectrum is also a very important thing for the thing. It's a critical thing. I am telling, sir, what is spectrum
on the bill.
No,
only
this is
on the record.
When that, sir, during UPA government, the spectrum action by the DMK government.
That will go on
but
the record.
They are telling now the nuclear energy is the critical thing. I am telling spectrum is also a critical thing for the nation. Security is involved in that.
Please,
how can they start? What kind of? No, I am telling that what.
Please speak on the bill.
I am coming to the point.
No,
nation security of the nuclear energy. That point I am telling. Same case spectrum also important. No, I'm saying
spectrum.
National security involved during the auction. What happened?
Not go on the record. Please.
2G spectrum scandal is a very famous
No,
scandal.
not go on the record. We are not discussing that.
What happened? Whatever happened, you know that.
We are not discussing that.
Why? When they are criticizing the government, nuclear energy, I appreciate that. How can the DMK government, UPA don't given them spectrum to the private sector? That is the point I am telling.
Not go on the record.
This is the way they are contradicting double standard they are making, sir. I am telling, sir, I am telling this is the point very, very important. I am telling the point, why I am telling about the state security. Nation security is very important, which DMK concern.
No, you speak
I am
on the
telling
bill.
that concern I am raising to that also. When they are opposing this, when they are opposing this bill, when they are opposing this bill,
only that will go on the record.
I am telling the point, sir, when they are opposing this bill, I am national security. What about the spectrum is another important factor, which how they give an auction and into the jail. The people in the ministry have the jail also. That is a scandal part of the case is still pending in the High Court.
On the bill, that will not go on the record. No,
Cases not. I don't want to prolong the
to
case.
speak on the
I
nuclear
don't want to
energy
prolong the
only.
case,
That will go on
but
the record.
I'm only telling
Please.
DMK double standard.
It will not go on the
They
record.
all they're doing this kind
Not
of
on the
thing.
record.
The people of the North
will not
Tamil
go on the
Nadu very
record.
well. This
You
kind
have
of
to speak
scandals
to a
have
senior
happened.
member.
That has been stopped.
You are a senior
That
member.
is a
Speak on the
scandal.
nuclear
That
energy.
is a scandal.
That will
Everybody
only
is
go on the
there.
record.
That is why I am telling, sir, nuclear energy, safety is very important. Safety is important. Government has already specified what are the measures in the bill, how to give the safeguard to the people.
बैठिए, I have already told. Please take your seat.
The bill has given what are the safeguards has to given, appreciating that point which is said. The same time, whenever discussing opposition parties must
on the
not
bill.
play the double game.
Speak on the bill.
Double game must not say.
Speak
One
on the
side
bill.
saying, same Congress and DMK did all this.
No, that will not go on the record.
Why
No,
they are
that will
criticizing?
not go on the record.
Sir,
No,
I'm
no.
telling you, sir, I'm telling this in the bill. I'm speaking
You
in
have
the
to
bill.
speak on the bill.
Nation security is the most important.
No,
but
this
I'm
is not
speaking
right.
that the scandal is
senior
that
member,
I'm
it will
requesting
not
the
go on the
Honorable
record.
Prime Minister take action.
not go on
and
the
take
record.
the what
No.
happened
No, it
previously.
will not go on the
Let us
record.
be-
Please.
the spectrum scandal must
It
be
will not go
taken
on the
action.
record. This is
and
not good.
Punish them.
This
The
is not
people
good.
of
You are-
Tamil
you
Nadu
are supposed
coming
to
election
speak on the
going
bill.
there. We have
Please.
fit
No.
supply for this DMK government.
Srimati Sudha Murthy. I have already spoken. Trichuji, I have already.
Thank you, sir.
Whatever he has spoken
Giving
on the
me an
bill, only that will go on the record. No, please.
talk.
Sudha Murthy, ji, please.
Thank you, sir.
1 minute. Yes. Yes, still. Yes.
Sir, when you say it won't go on record, it won't be in the records. But the video is going. That will be on YouTube.
Sir,
So the mic should be switched off, sir.
No.
And everyone is enjoying whatever he's speaking.
Manya
This is not the
Sadasya,
forum for
please
that.
go.
We want come to Tamil Nadu. Come and tell us in Tamil Nadu.
Tiruchiji,
Come and tell
nothing
us
is
in
going
Tamil
on
Nadu.
record. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Tiruchiji, you are not ready to listen to chair. Please, 1 minute. You, please. Yes, Tiruchiji has raised a very significant point. Please take your seat. Please, nothing is going on record. No, please take your seat. No, I'm not allowing. It is not going on the record. No, it is not going on record. Honorable members, it is not going on record, Mr. Thambidurai. Please, do not force me to warn you. You are a very senior member. Please, no, I'm not allowing. माननीय सदस्यगण, तिरुचि शिवा जी ने प्लीज, माननीय सदस्यगण, तिरुचि शिवा जी ने एक बहुत ही रेलिवेंट पॉइंट उठाया है. ये हाउस की सारे पक्षों से समस्या है. आपको चेयर बार रूल्स और प्रोसीजर से चलने का आग्रह करता है और सभी पक्षों से मैं देखता हूं यू क्रॉस द बॉर्डर लाइन, देन यू रेज द क्वेश्चन विच वेरी वैलिडली हैज रेज्ड. इधर से भी होता है, उधर से भी होता है, इधर से भी होता है. मेरा रिक्वेस्ट होगा कि आप सब रूल्स और प्रोसीजर को फॉलो करें. सुधा मूर्ति जी, प्लीज स्पीक.
Thank you, sir, giving me